Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth, and I love teaching people how to make products using natural ingredients you can use every day in your home. In this video, you're going to learn how to make 2 candles that will fill your home with the warm, inviting scents of Simply Earth's home, body, and autumn air essential oil blends. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's Feels Like Home candle kit. It gives you everything you need to make 2 soy wax candles that you can feel good about. Soy wax candles are really great because they are safe and non-toxic. Most store-bought candles are made with paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is a byproduct of the petroleum industry and can create soot and smoke as they burn. Soy wax candles are clean burning. We're also using natural essential oils to scent our candles rather than fragrances, which most candles are made with. Essential oils are basically super concentrated plant extracts that have tons of aromatic and topical benefits. Fragrance oils are synthetically made to create certain smells. Ingredients inside fragrances aren't shared on the label, so it's impossible to know how the fragrance is affecting our health. When you use essential oils to scent a candle, you get to be in charge of ingredients in your candle and can choose scents you feel good about. Turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this Feels Like Home DIY candle recipe from Simply Earth. For those of you who love the cozy, comforting scent of candles but worry about the ingredients, I'm going to show you how to create your very own soy wax candles that you can feel good about. In your kit, you'll be getting 2 8-ounce amber glass jars, the Autumn Air Essential Oil Blend that has a warm and spicy aroma, and the Home Body Essential Oil Blend that has a comforting aroma. You'll also be getting a wick centering tool, a stir stick, and this DIY candle making kit. And in your kit, you will find a wick centering tool, 2 wicks as well, and 2 stickers for your wicks. Let's make our candles. Place the wick stickers on the bottom part of your wicks and stick your wicks in the center of your jar. Now melt your wax. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. If the wax isn't melted yet, just keep microwaving at 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. And we're gonna do 150 drops of the Autumn Air in this candle. And if you wanted, you could do a combination of the 2 for the candles. Now you're gonna gently stir the essential oils into the wax. So now you're gonna thread the wick through the wick centering tool to keep it centered in your jar. Now you're gonna allow your wax to totally cool. Once the wax is cool, trim wick to about 1/4 inch, burn within sight, keep away from children and pets. Let's test it out. I love how this smells, naturally amazing, and it's made with love. It makes my house feel a little bit more like home. You can make this too. Get your Feels Like Home DIY candle kit from Simply Earth and experience the joy of creating candles you can feel good about. I love to see your creations on social media, so when you make this recipe, take a picture of your creation and tag from Simply Earth and add #IMadeThis so that I can see it. You'll automatically be entered into our #IMadeThis challenge and can win a $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Follow for more natural recipes like this one.